The cucumber's nutrition, health benefits and recipes. Cucumbers are beneficial for overall health and are particularly enjoyed during the summer months given their high water content. The cucumber's flesh is also rich in fiber and minerals. They also contain important nutrients and antioxidants essential for the human body. The cucumber nutrition. Cucumbers are a rich source of antioxidants and various other nutrients, vitamins, minerals, energy and water. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, cucumbers are a good source of potassium, phosphorus, vitamin C and vitamin K. They also provide small amounts of iron, sodium, and B vitamins like riboflavin, niacin and vitamin B6. Cucumbers help in improving your skin health, digestion and more. What are the health benefits of cucumber? 1. Cucumber is rich in antioxidants. Cucumbers can often act as antioxidants when consumed along with processed foods and high-sugar foods. As per study, month-long consumption of cucumber powder shows improvement in the body's antioxidant activities. Cucumber helps in fighting oxidative damage and improves overall health. 2. Cucumber is good for skin care. Cucumber is rich in silica, which is an essential component that aids in developing strong and healthy connective tissues in the muscles, ligaments, tendons, cartilage, and bones. Doctors often recommend cucumber juice because of the silica content for healthier and brighter skin. Cucumber's high water content makes it naturally hydrating and good for skin health. The extract of cucumbers is often used topically for treating various types of skin ailments like sunburn and under-eye swelling, due to its rich antioxidant content. It may also be recommended to assist in the treatment of other skin ailments like psoriasis, eczema, and acne. 3. Cucumber prevents constipation. Cucumbers are a perfect blend of both fiber and water. Regularly enjoying a cucumber-rich salad is a great way to increase fiber intake, which helps in loosening up your stool. Cucumber seeds are also known to have cooling effects on the body, thereby reducing the risk of constipation. 4. Cucumber controls blood pressure. As per studies developed based on research from the United States National Institute of Health, it was found out that consuming foods high in magnesium, potassium and fiber were the key to help lowering the blood pressure. The same research also mentioned cucumbers as a part of the potassium food group, thereby contributing in controlling blood pressure. 5. Cucumber manages diabetes. Cucumbers have been used for assistance with glucose control in people with diabetes. They possess a hormone required by the beta cells during insulin production. The presence of carbohydrates and their impact on the body is measured by the glycemic index (GI). Glycemic index measures how carbohydrates contribute to raising glucose or blood sugar levels. Every food item contains essential nutrients in different percentages. The glycemic index (GI) of cucumbers is 0. That means it is a good choice for diabetic patients and thus can help keep the glucose level in check. The healthy cucumber recipes. Cucumbers are commonly used in several recipes. Cucumbers can be cut into various shapes and sizes. They can be sliced, diced or cut into sticks. Cucumber seeds are edible and nutritious too, but some people prefer not to eat them. 1. Make cucumber sandwich. The simplest and tastiest way to add cucumbers to your diet is by adding them in between bread. 2. Make cucumber salad. You can use half-inch thick cucumber slices and serve them with chopped vegetable salads. Cut cucumbers into a dice shape, mix them with sugar snap peas, mint leaves, and pour rice wine vinaigrette into the mixture. 3. Make cucumber and watermelon salad. Cut the watermelon and cucumber into bite-sized cubes and garnish them with honey, olive oil, and more. 4. Make cucumber water. Drinking cucumber water is a good way to keep yourself hydrated and improve your skin health. We hope you've found this video useful. If you liked this video, please hit that like button and comment below. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to catch all the latest videos and updates.